Good morning. We learned that when it comes to Hametz, the Torah commands us of two things during Pesach. To not own any Hametz, and even if we don't own it, we still shall not leave it in a place that we might come and eat it. So if we sold the Hametz to a non-Jew, we still don't have it out in the open, so we don't come to eat from it during Pesach. Today we will speak about koshering our kitchen. Let's start with the refrigerator. Refrigerator is all cold, and as we learned before, when there is no heat, there is no absorption, and therefore all you have to do is wipe and clean well with material that is not edible. Any type of material, any type of soap should be sufficient. And the freezer also, if you have some ice, defrost the ice to make sure there is no any hametz stuck in there, and then you can use the refrigerator on Pesach. Now let's speak about the oven. So the oven is one of the most sophisticated things. Ashkenazim, the minhag Ashkenaz is not to use the oven during Pesach at all. Sephardim have some leniencies. So what they do, we have three things that we need to do to kosher the oven. Clean it very well, everywhere in the oven. Clean it as much as you can. Then wait 24 hours. And that waiting for 24 hours is in order that if something is left after 24 hours, the taste of that thing that might be left is not good anymore. And then after that 24 hours, you turn on the oven for at least a half hour. That heat is also supposed to, to throw out from itself any taste that's left behind, and then you can use the oven on Pesach. Now, when it comes to trays, those metal trays, do not use them on Pesach. Very hard to get new especially for Pesach. Now, what about those grills that go into the oven? Clean them also. Wait 24 hours, and then whenever you put on the oven to kosher it, you put those grills in the oven, and then it gets kosher together. Now, this is for Sephardim. If somebody else has self-clean, that is the best, because it's called libun hamur. It kills everything that's in the oven. So that's even better to do. And of course, self-clean, even if you didn't clean so good the oven, it will still be sufficient because it's really burning everything. Now, let's speak about microwave. Microwave also, as we said, the same idea. Steam is going, and it's a little bit much easier, much easier than oven, because really during the year when you heat up something in the microwave, the sides of the microwave mostly don't get hot. So it's much easier, but nevertheless, what you do, some people don't use the microwave at all, but whoever wants to use it cleans the sides of the microwave very well. You take a cup with water and a little bit of soap, and then you turn on the microwave for 3 minutes, for 4 minutes, until it bubbles and there is steam going all over the microwave. You wipe it again, and then when you come to use it on Pesach, don't just put the food in a plate open. Cover it with something, in a box or something that's closed, and then you can use the microwave this way during Pesach. Going back to the oven, on the top of the oven, clean very well, and then spill hot water on it. Then if you can cover the parts that are touching your pot, better. If not, just use it this way, because we hold that, again, this is for Sephardim, we hold that even if there was any food that fell over there, and there probably was, because there is fire, then it got burned right away, and it doesn't give back into the food that we're going to cook using during Pesach. It's not going to give any taste back. So this is koshering the top of the oven. And also what's good to do is to put it on for at least 20 minutes. Let the fire go on, that if there is any taste left, it's going to throw it out. We'll continue next class talking about a hot plate, an urn, and the countertop, and the sink. See you in the next lesson.